tatay. Ya, ole aso lo makua. Mele, ya. Wai vai kulo kip mai fas po am fas po. Ki alo me ole ai ah. Halo Zat.
Yeah, here with the kitchen crew. Here with the kitchen crew.
Ya.
I'm Kangi Ray, Sylvia. Yeah, going a sochi. Kamiki Fay barbecue.
Good morning, and we're here on day 3 of preparations for Nana Mele's funeral preparations. And I'm coming to you from very cold Brisbane weather, cold morning on Wednesday the 16th, I believe, of July. Anyway, we're still going. We haven't stopped. We will stop comes Friday, but we're here with once again with family. Very, very cold, but we'll get through it. Talk later.
Yeah, no, go sami though. Kitchen stuff. It's on it. Yes. Yeah, malau ngas-ngas ya. Huh? Give us a little breakdown of the last few days.
Okay, so this is is it day 3?
Day 3, yeah.
Yeah. So we're in day 3 today.
Yep.
Today we're expecting the old local, maybe a couple of old locals. So the team have been here every morning, early in the morning, to cut up, do the preps, cut up veggies and meat. And, yeah, so day 3 today, everyone's nice and strong and fresh. And yeah, we went and dressed Auntie this morning, and she looks really good.
Nice. Who'd you go with?
It was a very special moment, yeah. So it was me, Tony, Atta, and Becca, and the kids.
Ah, nice.
It was very emotional because some of them was the first time they were there at the hospital when she passed. So yeah, it was very emotional to see the kids and how they reacted when they saw her for the first time. Yeah, but she was really easy to dress. It was such a pleasure to do that.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Easy. Got this, mate. Natural. Got boys, got Hunter, got son, Hunter.
Brewmaster.
How's it been the last few days, man? Being here for your Nana?
It's been good. It's been decent. Love to see everyone again.
Yeah.
Nice to catch up. It's been maybe 5 years since I've seen everyone.
Yeah.
So it's been nice. Yep.
How's the week been?
Yeah, good. Good to see everyone and reconnect with sort of family members and yeah, catch up with everyone. Hopefully, have a beautiful week for Auntie Mele.
Yep.
Yeah. Cheers.
Okay.
Ya, mado na berkako ainga. Dia wa kau lau fa moi moi ya koi kiki foi. Mai ka pengangan ainga koi ada so kaya. Ya, manas farai. Ai sei uma la ko de di pokia Miss Fadari. Inu ya lo fa ko ainga malo la fa ma popo mai
Yeah.
ko me fa.
Boleh kako YouTube views. Why?
Ya pengangan se me ha fa.
Ele kau fama moi.
Yeah.
Den aking.
Yeah. Kako fa longo fele songo me angu fa sa mo. Yeah. What she say?
Oh ya wa ke ba pa me le wa ai ko hua so pengo fa moi moi.
So guys, malo. Yep, we got Mum and Dad's house set up for the church tonight. It's Whengaloko. Yep. Mum's plantation at the back. Look more me here. Yeah, nice little setup for Auntie Mele. Right, Mum. How's the week been?
Very busy week, but it's all for a beautiful, loving person that we're going to dearly miss.
Yeah. So Mum and the girls got the chairs ready.
Like
Ja, og der er jo flue. What's the station here, boys? What station we go? Yeah, we've got the fams here, kicking back. King Sylvia. Yep, welcome to Australia, mate.
Thank you.
What's our date today? What's our date today? 16?
Yes, 16
Go on the show, mate. Give us a little.
Yeah, so back here, this is where the smoking areas. Got the so we got some of the barbecue and the what do you call it? The where you
Spits.
cook the
Yeah, ongami.
Yep.
Oh, what do we have here?
That's the size 3. Well, that's good enough.
Yeah, welcome to the Take a Break. Go.
So we've done a bit of cooking. I've just rocked up from Wellington, and everybody's have finished cooking. So I'm just testing the food whether it's fed up better.
What's the rating?
Lovely marinade.
Oh yeah. Say umana.
How did you get a chop? How did you get a chop?
Oh,
I'm the taster.
sorry, that's Issy. Supervisor. Oh, boss is back on. Sorry, I missed your recording because I.
Oh, you missed it.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
So I'm the. This is probably her 5th sausage. That was 5th sausage.
Mele mo e mo ai nga fer fang ya. Po le are ke le mai kala au po ange ya. Kasi le fa lo ngoi o le pinyo kwa. What's my iPhone?
No,
Just eat it. Just eat
I'm
it.
tasting it to make sure it's okay for the facial that comes.
Oh. So as you can see, we're on a break for now. Look good. Oh, guys. I think you guys were wanting to know about head chef. Yes. Now. And now your opportunity.
Hi guys, so welcome to I was gonna say my YouTube channel. So everyone is hating on me at the moment because I haven't really been present, but I have been present in here. And that's what counts.
Yes.
So I give the orders at night time so everyone knows where their stations are during the day. Okay?
Yes.
So, but I'm back on track now. So, yes, so hello to all our family all over the world. And there's a lot of family members who wish they could be here, but, you know, travelers are a bit tight at the moment. So, don't worry, us cousins are here to hold the fort. But this is all for you, Nana.
Love you,
2 more
Nana.
days. We love and miss you, Nana.
Yeah. Oh, hey everyone, it's your girl. So,
these are the orators.
yes, and so I wanted to show you Nana.
We've got our salad over here. And
Ya. Oleh masia. Oleh masia over sukang.
To be here.
Over marulu.
Yes, very cold.
Ya, kami angin marulu. Ele boleh memakai sama. Oleh angal marulu. Kau peno aku ifo ringan ele boleh mempefu.
Kura mengi kama mai wa malanga mai le sunga ya Trump mama mengo.
Ya, kalau aku ngai vai ko le lu ngai le o ke ale lu. Ya, ono mako mafuka I mal sunga la fenga ngai ya king. Ya, ono mako akar kana ngau fo me fa soa. Ile aso ko fingi por kinga ya mele. Ya kapo ai mer kapo ai ngo fe lava me o mawa mai ai kapo lai. Ya kalo mai mo mako. Le langi le ka ngai Brisbane. Lo fa.
Ngambil su. Just tell them to pick up the
Pasta.
Okay, for you.
Yep. Suka soup. Harga ko catering. Kom. Het is helemaal mong ondervang. Hou je?
Hey. Pues casi rumah.
Hou je hier suka soup. Suka soup hou je?
How did we go today? How was that one?
That was much better. My present's right there. That's how it should go. Very good. Very good.
Malo kas, malo. Pa.
This is Uncle Harry. Uncle Harry says
Oh,
it's a YouTube channel.
Malo lava le. Dewa mako kagele fai ngai I Brisbane. Ya. Kasi ngai vai ngole. On fa moi on fero inga le male Paulo le aingo ngai Olivi. Le ngo ia le kumu le mo kumu ngai. Kai me ngai malo ka boy mai ngai se le on fai nga awai mai. Anga lele li ko so ifua mo so mako maros. Lo fa
Teki aku. Malo kas.
Malo ko ka pua ia o solo le lava le pa moe o le malo le na ya mele ya mas po ile a po inga se ka ko inga ya o le mau la moxili ya mango paswa pa ya lori ma pa ya lo ka ko inga malo ko ka po ma ya lo fikile
Thank you, Riv.
please
No, maar zo voor of jongen.
so fu monguia.
Ja, wait. Bij mij lokale le. Bij mij lokale.
Go fast.
Hey, Charbibi. Ja, alle. Le team le. Je kom.
So wa from my chibi. Ya, ma ku la mo nya. Karo ngai le. Le mo ku ya mo chibi. Pa ko me umba. Ya ma ngai foi da so. Ya ma ngai ko po inga. Ma ngai le ko ko mai ma ngai.
Shalom, guys. Nah, all good. Often, yeah.
Lei sara le ngā le maua leo ko anga le kai au. Le ana leo ke apa ai mo ko le kui ma le ana lo sa. Na mo waka oko umaru ni ana le kai au o muni wa. Waka pisa ko ya i ko le ano. O ka ko i ke mo ko ko le. Ka lo fa. Au ngawar sa ya sa kwala. Wa wa ku ua le malo le fionga ya. Perkua ya men. Olha na olha o kushire. Ngai o wa ya ku mo mori sini ma. Sao? Maria Malo ka dia sa ko pa Hua pena ko seleng. Ia isi vaenga. Ora amori moi fokaya.
Ya kan? Sai pa lo alo ko ai ngani. Sai. Suma fa pena ina. Sai, sai ve. Ai yo. Kali ali ni. Sai, sai. Vamos. Wah, kurban saya apa sih? Sai. Boleh suka kan suka. Ya, lihat. Sai.
Vier mooiste. Partij ja, ja. Nou, weer zonnen. Pagi City.
Ya. California. Karena main baru sih di situ. Ya. Dei. Para Milei. Halo.
Kijk hier zo. Hallo, Pai.
Hallo, boys.
Hallo. Sorry. Ser du lov med? Did you lift that up? Anna. Man, first time I seen you pick up a box. Okay, Anna, go, ready? Wow. Wow. I've got your bag at the back. What's up?
Vai buka kuainga. Waka pau mainga. Isi ia kolang soipuan ngai buka kuainga. Mau fa pulunga. Ya ngama kemama kua. Vai ia wai ngalua yang pulang apa pe. Ma dole soipu mawalan mama ngiaf ya. Ia nama yang ka kuma kuangan maliu maleu. Tapi inga le kuai le fai kikian ngiaf ya. Au fa kai ma dole. Kere ma dole dong sai. Wa sili hao lo faat pa ia man mamalu masolo ai kau ko fa. A faio ke fai aku o ko le ai ngai fa malo ia i fiku le langi. E kau. Le awan papanga malo nga Filipule ai sa mo. Alo. Alo fa ua mafuli le langi ma ua fa o. Usau kia le u. Mau lai. Kulonga la ia le langi, ma le langi. Kulonga le ngā solo a. Ko kor kimu ka pe papa. Awa uku malo le sunga ki ngā makua ia Mele Tusani. Ia ma fai wau whapea. Kuad malo le fionge e fuki. Langi e la kukua i malie. Ko se kukua lava od malo, awa le fio mali e koa. Mau nei vau marainga sa mau nei vau. E makua ia wha mausili. Se uli wha per foeli. Se usu ngā whongo foi au makangi ma pau fiku whale mali ko. E le mawhai ngalo e makua ia man ngei kur ka koa inga. E kau singa ma le aloko alo sunga wala kamanla. Ai meise le whai ngofo anu.
O se mafkanga sa pele mai. Leo mo kusia o wala o pa ia le ku. Ia ka ko ka fai mali fa kas. Awa leo se finga ngalo inga po se mangaku ingei. Al finga ngalo fai ko kas ka pausili lan. Finga ngalo solo ai maunga. Ma vai papa. Walo pule e fai le pula koni le mo. E yo ya su maku ka o fingia fiaf. Awa ele ka make le ke maku sa van mai. Go ko silfia. Lui lava inga kele ala vai kafi. E kasi lava le au mai. E kasi be. E fui aí vai kafi. Ya uma ko mil. Bawa selima vai no foi no vai le tua. Ya awar pe apa ma vai suka ko kinga, bang ele fiong e fuking. Ya, alo mai ngai kur ka ko inga. Sei como foi a ma ko ia ngai kur ka ko inga. So soang ya wa pe apa ma vai suka ko kinga. Ya, ongi mai le kuan ngai ku ka kuainga. Amo mi kere ka kua fiaf. Ya na ka ko muni.
I didn't understand a thing any of them said.
You think I fell away? You too? See ya.
Okay, Rim. Ya, bông nước cái cái. San.
Sabar.
God bless. Có phải không mà?
Bông yêu. Dạ, phải đi máy luôn.
Keep going, keep going.
Phải đi máy luôn. Phải đi máy, phải đi máy. Iya.
Baru apa? Musuh.
Yêu, bông yêu, sẽ phải đi máy. Sẽ phải đi máy. On YouTube. What's this from? Where's this from?
Foi inga leo si.
Yeah.
Isso foi mais si.
Nothing. Just push button. Now give us a feedback. How's that?
It was good. I think I got nervous at the end because of CR. I haven't met him before, but it was good. It was good to listen from the oldies.
And what did you get?
Joy and blessings. That's all that matters, isn't it? Thank you.
All right, man. Good on you. God bless you. You go grab me a 10-pack.
We're gonna go through CR.
Where were you during this?
Of my country.
Our sister from Malia Ula and her lovely children have just arrived. Yeah, we're just gonna, I guess we're gonna accept her gift, whatever she's brought with her and the kids. Stay tuned.
All right, got the family here. Now. Is this mine today? Cause Cause Joe, Demo or Bruce?
It's typical.
What's online? Alright, cool. Morning, Auntie. Morning, cuz. How's it been being back in Australia, mate?
Oh, awesome, mate.
You loving it?
Awesome, yeah, I love you boys.
How's Redcliffe?
Too far.
Alright, morning, family. Cousins, what's up, is? Alright, you getting breakfast ready?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Kathy's still in bed, everybody.
Fail. Tell her lunch is ready for her to make.
All the people that called in sick, and then you got the people on pension as well, mixed in with the... Yeah, you called in sick? This is behind the scenes of the kitchen crew. It's been... Wait, is this Mikey? Oh my gosh, I lost my key. Damn it. Anyways, yeah, so this is behind the scenes of the kitchen people. Sometimes there's laughs, sometimes there's anger. It's all mixed emotions. We're just about peace. I'm always happy, I'm always smiling. My name's Lesson, this is day one of preparations.
Anyways, especially that guy. That guy's always angry. Here's my coffee. Happy Thursday, y'all. Happy Thursday. Today on the breakfast menu, Emma made a skew. Looks amazing. Everyone's complimenting her about it, and I can't wait to eat it, to be honest. Skamai hungry. How are you going, Susie? Huh? Wait, I need more sugar in my coffee. I'm gonna go get me a sugar. Busy Uncle Harry. Yeah, well, round one. I mean, the first group, then the second group, and now it's the third group. Second group on the third group. We'll combine the second group. Anyways, I need to go for a walk.
These ropes inside that bag. Someone is going to trip over those things. Yeah, there's one here, and then I'm going your shorts coming with one. Oh, I thought you had more. Oh, who? Because these are from below.
Shut brother. Hard worker, Tamar.
Hello. No.
Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. Hard-working ladies.
Yeah. Hello, we're doing preparation for Nana Mele.
What are you making?
We got heaps like curry, chop suey.
Where the fake kali? Oh, I'm gonna taste test tonight.
Eliza's doing the curry, I'm doing the chop suey.
Okay.
For masima, salakiula, prawns. That's our menu
Oh wow.
tonight.
Oh wow, I feel like it's
And for
Tomiasina.
masima,
Tomiasina menu.
Who gave you the camera? That's what I said. Yeah. Bye, Nana. We're just making our way to the cemetery now, which was literally close to where Nana's Nana's favorite place, her falisa, that she attended. Man, we've been here for years, and and we've never set foot in here until now. Are you serious? We can park in here? Far out. Now if I had to walk. We'll look at the cemetery later. I'm gonna go stand with John because I got a camera.
Has anyone got any injuries? No? Okay, that's all right. Take it slow. Okay, help me feel it. Beautiful. Yep. Just check. Hold on. Hold on. Beautiful. We've got plenty of room. Yeah. Can we shift over? Are we feeling all right? Cool. Can we put the stretch through? Yeah. Oh, he wants to lower straight away.
Nene.
Wa tātou iei nei lunga. Lono whanua tūmā. Lo tātou whiso swani i sua wha o le ria. Lena whaia le langi ātua mali nau. Whapeo nā lofo mutu wale o te mā i lana whanau. Whapeo lava o nā lofo mutu wale o i ola. I e mātu tau i ata. O le ele, ua tuu i le ele. O le efu, ua tuu i le lefu. O le efu, ua tuu i le efu. A lo mausali lava lo mātou whamu. Toi whātu ina i le aso e whāwawau i lako ina. O e ua oti i ake bisu. O e na li ua o tātou tino wa le anga. Ina ia whaia ia whātatau i lono tino mbata. Yesu
Skai mi ya, o se leo le ainga lua. O le gaming ei, ya. Ele leo whakawa. Pai masui, pai le ainga lua. Ya, mo ke walawa ku male nganga whaaloalo. No sunga le kausi kanga wenga, foi le fitskenga le ausu pēr pagi. Pai maulunga le kanga wenga lo city, sa ma pokok. Ya, sumai ma fio mai. Aku ka ko ho leo ma ka penga le ainga lua. Ya, ko family skingo. Ya, ma fa mo ko ai se makokala. O le ka ko ho, ya o le Hosanna Church, kan ko mo le wasi le fio mo ka ko. Ya, e ka ko ma okaringa. Ya, se ka le nga, ya ma le nga pa no alfa kai.
Sorry. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. No, no.
Ya, kaku ah. Oh, you know what? Ya, aku
Say hi to our YouTube. This is all the family girls getting ready to ngolue their bodies, especially this one. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, hi, hi. Hello. Shot girl. Shot girl. Yes, last one. Sanj. Shots to see. Oh, le vlog. I'm charging this family my vlog, and this one we've been doing for hours. There's the family sitting on this side. It's the family. John, Masada. Hey girl. Hi. This is the behind the scenes. Oh. I don't want to get in trouble from the man. So guys, this is the Team Hotel family getting ready. And the last person you don't want to get in trouble from is this man right here. He looks like he's going for a smoke. Hi, Uncle.
Yeah.
How are you? Yeah. I'm recording for you to watch after. Okay, I'm on the good books. I'm on the good books. Hey, Marcus. Okay. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hi, ladies. Hi, Mom. Oh, hello. So these guys are getting ready. Where are the babies? Well done today, guys. Okay. And we've got the number one. Number one here.
Better than Joshua, better than Abby, better than Ray.
She said she's the number one in-law. Yeah. I want to go walk it through. Hello. Hi, ladies. Hi, Malaka. Malo. Say hi to YouTube. Sorry. Slow. Mom, say hi. Hi, Neil. Say hi to YouTube. Hello. Slow. Wow, go Harry. Thank you. Okay, Sammy. Careful. Hi, girl. Thank you. Okay. I was saving that space for you. I saved it for you. Short to see. Thank you. Can I get some for Kingo, please?
Is that alright? Just got maybe in there just to say that.
Oh yeah, okay. I'll do this.
Oh, I don't know. No, that's.
So good. Hi, Sissy. Hello. Oh, can I actually come back?
Yes.
Oh no. I'll grab. Wow. That's giving wow. You okay, honey? Never mind.
Get your position ready, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna go give the camera back.
you can stop.
Ia mu kaulang.
Behind the scenes, Gabo.
Ia fai ma vi inga o ku. O nga whapea leo sa mako kala.
Yeah, girls, say hi.
Pune mo isa la fai. Leo muenga. Malufu. Ai ngai le kai.
Behind the scenes, behind the scenes.
Kuisa mau le kai. O lo se fumu malkasi.
Captain, you right, mate?
A o le aso le.
Finish your color.
O le aso e whaasinga kōmua. O ki le tau kala, o ke mana e humi kei.
Yes, how are you feeling, mate? You nervous?
I'm new.
What do we call this, mate? What do we call this?
Mate, honestly, mate, I just came. I'm just living next door. I just come for the free feed. Hey, is any wine there, man?
Cuz. Repeat. DG. Oh. Nice. Pick up. Steady. Finish your color. Ali, up. Huh? What's the goal for today?
Wait and see.
Thank you. Okay, sit it off.
Mo ka kala le filio le e vai e ku. O lo ma ka ni. O ma ola i leo sama. Kai au kala le kai au kai ma niu fe kai male. O lo ia au ma mo wasu fu. Ia mereka ko sa pai. Fale u mo ko ngiani. O lo ia au le a ka sa ma le a ka o ka wa. Fuki ma o pa au mo mando fra mo. Malayola mga fona, ia ulo ia au transful mo fangal, ke kama mai fare kuala msala, mandu wa eni sa buria. Au kaya o ne, ele ai se fayo. O kaya o ne walo mo do fum mari. On kaku fa pele, ia fa mo winga, le swafa o le tua. Ya, kaya no le fa kawa. E fai ma fonga ka mo o suli ma feoi e meise o tamama kua ia kuala ia le foi ala ka ia le kaulanga soi fua o malolo mai fe au mala le se malolo ia elia markina ia ia fa mai male markina ia male loa ia o le fa ngalo kofi le foi ala ka ia ku le lupi fa lele le ai eu ia no fa malolo ko fi ma ko fa ai sa dia fa ia so le ko le ni ki ko le fa le ai ni ia le foi ala ka ia ku pa ia ma ma ia na u fa fu ia na ko le ko ia lo ma sa mo ma le ma lo le o le kangalo na fa ka ket fa ka ia rofa fa ka ia le pe ko fa ia ku o ka ku ma fuka ia mo kaya o mani mo leu ia fa mo se ma ko leu le la ko mo fa ia ia se me mo fa ko wa ina ni kene ma ko ai pu o ma ko ni a ka fo ia se me mo fa ko wa ia ka mo se ni le na fa ma lo ia mai ana ni de se e mo mo se e ele me ka o me fa kimo man me le se kimo kulo lie me fa ko mua ya le fa de ko sin pa ma lo le ka fe ya ave fa so tupu a fa ye ke so muri kuwa ele ko fa ye ke ai ya ka mo se ba kwa afa una lo kafa ia e fai na ko miu mo fasau ia o lo ko le ngale mo ka ko mo sa fo ia fa me o ko mo afi no ele ai na se lo na ia o fa ko mari ia suma ko si le mo sani o fu wa ya con suo per suo ya le fa che bus se o ka ke ni ulowa sa ka ko masi mai ni on ko afewa maka o ko meso masi mai ka ko me ya maka ni la ko mi foi la on ko ale ni ya le fa che bus ya le fa ya lo ko mo kai mari tupu male falcua wa fiu ki mai na lana o tupu ule aso feiras ya o maka foi le lana o le ile o le mea nofa le wala mo ma ai ya wa ale ma na men ya perlu ya o mga kuala ini dengan kiri fai au oleh ngaki dia lo suka dos tangan ya esa ni me kukongi o kipi kukongi yo boleh arroz sama ada dua affaire malam semua dikosongkan abang. Oleh fahamul mai kaku Paul yang sama dengan Pepe manusia itu melakukan berfaham alaikum. Mufakar ibadah yang masih diperlukan kiri Malaysia. Wala maka kuwiran ka kulang nafakas ay ko din mo sila ya medyo ko sila berbol kuna me fui mo football wala fa na ko abil la ko ke musipo ya le al fa'il huwa salam ya afo tupu ka fo ile swaf ya alam bawa si aku oleh lema si pula ese ada dulu fale nama kau perlu dulu fakasi maliku fakki oleh sa aku si fa amaro kemai lau sa mama oleh be sosok oleh namu mana ni wala la ila tu fa ele lau sunat ko si kana lu fa fakki be ele lu isi aina oleh fu yesi faita alumai dela kau fa yang kulang desa si fa no saufa ya bersama bersama oleh suku ya lewat itu tusuk so ya suka tukar ya lewat kaidah o bebe foi fi awele ko fa ilunga na fa lo lo ma ai fa lo fa fi o ko fa leo yai malo ke kusi kasi de Afrika la Ya, saya ka faus. Ya la maka ofia si eu gine o foi awe aba ku ai. Wa to we ai ko ke kini ma ku foi ya ini ai ini ma le fu ni ai. Ini ai mai ke fiwa ko ke ya ave lo plusa. Ya apa ke kini afkai le su ma ko si tanga lo na matina. Ya. Ya, amai de doce la kala mal Cina, berkat buku dan family lagu buku film. Berfaham ma ay nalu. Malia apa ya dekat bukan rumah si fayam si faham warsia. Ya, orang ini di Ismail. Oleh família e família tudo, amanhã ele se ele foi na fama, não que foi a tudo, amanhã o salário polícia ele makan amanhã, ya, faz kayaku yang oleh smoke, arkana amanhã faz kayaknya ini sumber siapa, ya boleh ia boleh faham belah, ya dia nak kaya sifat ese. Yang berfasol siang yang fauna yang ya sampai kembali siap ya dua melihat usang anggus ya suka suara yang dua selang ayo kaya tu dari komona dalam mana oleh kerana pada yang luar ya sampai foto maya kuala warga kemasel ya malam terus lima selang kawal semai rumah ya oleh besking smoke ya oleh wala kumanfaat kemarin tinggal smoke lemon sawi oleh suka suah yang dua selam AFK ini ada oleh kerana pada yang lalu awal kenal smoke yang dalam kursi dan kursi lama ya, okey ada mai, oleh aku susu mai isi mai lalu mai pulang, ya, kalau sumai ni, kau simpangan mana, ya, kau sumai pakai, kau selalu faham ulun aku di faham, pengen ni faham aku kalis, faham aku maklai, maklai boleh fakasa. Jadi ya akak wal fifi au kau siapa? Kau kaya biar pula wal fifi au, orang masih orang mana? Dan ini oleh fifi au kau siapa? Makwa manusia. Monokwa kau pula oleh ayam ni. Ilau sah apa? Ia itu pergi esok. Ia lepas sana. Fafkai kena. Fafkai mana dua? Fafkai faham apa? Ia itu kau sekarang mana nak berbuat? Ya. Awal fasuk, kalau ni lebih awal faham ya, kalau semua itu faham. Malau ke pusi le lima selama. Oleh foi sa sifa alalo kalau fai a oloka o fio a odua ia le ke no le ko ngalo na kasi le me ya ko fai o le fo ka fa ko ale ba ya ku ko me fa ke de la ko fai ku fa lo sifa lo fa ka maria. Afkali watu ya kwala ya menilai dewa watu na mamsa ya oleh sokar semua yang dewa ini kuspisuk kunga pengen lo Korea. Sa wala na school na yung parpa uray mo sa amay pa uray mo masuyan pa uray ya ano ka ina ore ko fale a lo sumai di faterai malilin mo silang kalale olok ka mali sina ya sa faus ya usama ang aliyay lima kayo femisyon sa po Leo. Kami ulit ay daw po. Fafikay, ulit maafkan yang uluan ay yan ang buya ng ulo. Yung ikaw na yan ko. Nilang kau fayaku fafikay kin. Ya. Amay ko fa. Yan ngalo family ida. Ilong usok. Ya, amay manfaos. Oleh sa katu foi, fa pe ai ko ke afio. Dengan kamu foi malu ko ai le. Ele que aqui de no mai ko foi fi a moisana. E aí foi me foi le, e que le me na afio. Ya o ko fa alo. Lo sumo que ma fi au, ma malu ka malu. Malu pule. Malu fa ke. Ele é o que ya dia meu falar lesa ko falar lela ko fai ai ni ye semai mai wali kan ngana pada super fakir memang lo ya saufa kaman Ari official ya, ayo. Dengan alam ko ya pula kalau aku kisah kemana ya sesuatu ini. Akan ko faya me ko ikong wa ko ni ka ko fa no. Wa isya ene ave ini mana yang fa ko ni. Aku mai ave mai no fifia. Ya, lama ibu berfanya aku ya la fa fela o ma ka ko fa. Saula mo sa ya suka suam ya lalu fakikus dua selalu ayufka ila lamana ada oleh kufalea le kalesia le kamaruena ya wa ke aku le maena ile kalesia lela aku ile official kamaruena yang fokus Allah mana yang ambil ya kan ya mereka kan kafan ini ada kamaruan ya ada official awal ya mafusu ya malam kekusi dia Elios Elpana Lemang kene si fokus ya ya kan yo fufu ya meni mo ngi ko ke wala awu ya an mana rusa aga yo mo isi fokus ya o ma ka fu fi maya ya ke kupe oke ya bahwa yang ada skill kuper kabuai kuper kamera ya ya pemilu ini itu apa posisi bagi jadi yang luar ya mereka semua selang ya yang kebus ya boleh simpan ilang kakubuin kafalele kamaruan maka ifefa lemon mukafale ifefa kafale ifefa lewe fa kufa kasi kusa tulisuko malilua sana kana ona mawele to sana ta ave to kusa ifefa ona mukafale konsula ya usetu ya lewa ruang konsula Orkau mufkama menelua selang ya permetono menelua selang ya moluka ya malam kafare umene saku refe ya video ya kalau ya fumai si apa fare le kofu kwa kama kugus yo ya le ufa kugus ni ya mapusua ya lihat kau sedang ya lihat oi yang namanya salah sifat lalu aku yang suul fokus yang amai yang nama ikat baik ya orang sini dia mau suul fokus boleh kagum kamarun ya dua mengubah lewe kau silang kau mufkama malu silang abi ya fafkeken ya level kasi falolo aku ya lumang baik ya laukay kaya ang magsawa emele kusawa lumang kahangkan kiyo sisi ya kusawa lumang baik yang fabol-boleh ya level yang sepuluh ya galufannya dua selam berselam kala ke muskama yang kau selam ya al-sifa lalu dia sepuluh fafkai dan lufa fafkai dan adilai Ya, mai kai sebut. Abi ya. Ya, kafare tabui. Ya, kau selaulah. Abi ya limang. Morsil fia. Ya, kakuk kafare anak kau selau. Ayala mabaku ka yes. Ya, nangalesa si faralo. Au le mele ku. E fiu le mako ai na e baku ye yo ai ke ya. Ai ke. Au le mele ku fai ai ka ni. Ka wa se me no ai. O se me alofa. I no ko ma au ma lo ko mi misia. Ye ke fa pele si ka fa le e baku sang ku spisu. Ele ai na ko na ka masi ya ko mabaku la ko faralo e mangingo fa ke. Ya, untuk main, ya, dek, mana pada kafale di konsela, ya, saya si falolo fo, ya, dek, mana pada kuala mahai ngalu, Asilnya kini umur ayat kau kufai kuat, ya, jauh lebih sekarang pada sisi, ya, lalu film fanana. Bây phải lăng yêu sắc, yeah, mấy này nó phải cố gắng, phải cây mồi si phải làm, yeah, ai biết được cả, yeah, bên đây, yeah, lấy phải bay ở đây, để sang mua, yeah, ai biết này nó, ai biết ôi, sự phải là cố, bên yung yang telefon, ya, ada kursi lah. Telefon, ya, bila lama lewat analisa sifat orang pun, ya, ada. Amai mereka ya seusul yang berfakir pada hari malu rusak malu fur bias ya kaku puang dan fakir yang malu fakir ya lima ya sulfurus yang ambil dalam fayamam kina kuah yang fauluma yang ambil kegus ya lefu saya faulwa ya kau maku faulwa ambil kekak yang kina Mai rumah. Ya, dikira malu ya dia kan, ya, amat. Nasi cafnu, ya amat. Cafnu. Yang mau, saya mau. Ya, kami yang mau. Tadinya, ya, waktu yang tadinya, itu dia. Ya, langsung ke mama dulu. Ya, pemain si baik. lau sunga ia po le whima fo i le tina roso.
We'll go on holiday soon.
O le sa o whaaroro, la iu o wangu fo ma ki mai ame. Whawhikai ke, o hunga o apsakara, whawhikai o wangu le. Ia, a mai whakamani.
Nah, straight.
Wow. Yeah,
Mum and Dad for Mum's birthday. Yeah. It's her 60th. Next month.
Sao Mari. Yeah. Oleh Ausuf Alfan. Ya, lemon salad, kasua, ya, saus busuk, ya, udah suka ya. Oleh menu ya, aku akan main yang kedua.
Ko faranga ya sabo pa ia la inga la wa makai le la kam fai for la ngak le wa ia la sua ka sua u kai la ia malo le fai wa kala la ia malo ko le la ka bula ka fea le wa ia la fa aso se la kusapa wa ia fai kusapa se la kai ke kai faranga kai kala le kuwa pa no fikalo
Shot butters. Butters, the butters. Yeah, there, no, do that wall. Do that wall. Yeah, yeah. I want to take heaps. Amen.
Yeah, let's start off from here. Hip, hey, hip, hey. From here to more sisi to more kuala hip.
Halo, Susi. Hey, what's up, brother? Hi, darling.
Thank you, shop guys. Thank you for the life.
Thank you for today. Thank you, family.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
Thank you for
Thank you. Come again. My Lord Rev. My Lord Rev. Hi, Uncle. Well done, Auntie. Well done, Uncle.
Good. Yeah, it's over. All done. Finish.
Thank you. Fatso, tell the girls they're gonna need help blowing all their stuff.
Was I fast?
Angel, hi baby. Shot brother.
Hey,
shot brother. Well done.
Yeah, I did not like it.
Oh, Kai, are you in line? Are you in line?
Yes, I'm online.
Sister, are you off now? Oh, yeah, okay. Hello, lover. We'll see you. Yeah. Well done, Sissy.
We're all done now.
All done. Now it's the cleanup.
Yay!
I love how you're still smiling. That's what's so good about you. Is always smiling.
I'm always smiling.
Always happy. Always happy.
I hope you got the smiling when I was on the table.
Hey, how's your legs and your back? Yeah, you all right? No, that's why you're amazing. Because like you sit there for an hour or two.
Yeah,
Always-
no, but it's just I can't get up.
No, you're fine. I'm so good on you. That
You were
you
good at the beginning. You were like running,
and then we slowed down. And then after I slowed down, hi kids. Hi. Hi babe. Mwah.
Alright guys, everyone's getting the last serves. Can you say something for me please? Nah. Yeah, last serving. How was the catering?
It was beautiful. LMP, the best.
Okay, cool. How was your money transfer and the stuff?
It's been really good. Thank you. Praise God. Nana, I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed your final days with us and seeing how much of your family came together. Nana, eleng alo o mako boko e mako fatuli bishi dili. Recipes, Nana.
Malo.
All right. It's been a successful, very successful day. We started right from when Mele decided to go to join her mama, and this is the final day. And we're very pleased and very happy, very successful. I'm so happy with the family. We've had family from here, there, and everywhere to provide support. Not only support, but give us strength, and we feel strength.
Let's see.
This is Mele's younger sister, and I'm the younger brother. All together. All together.
Hello.
People.
To you for Auntie's send-off, and it's really good that we all got together, and really good send-off for her, and thank you very much, sir. So I love it.
When you go back?
Headed back on Monday.
And you're heading back to?
Singapore.
So anyone from the family wants to go to Singapore? Can we stay with you?
Come and stay with us.
Yeah.
I'll let you know the address when you send me.
Oi, what go ai? Surely.
Shout out to everybody here, all the two teals. It's great being here on Aunties Day. Here to celebrate life. I'm Diana from New Zealand, first cousin.
I love my beautiful beautiful day today.
So we've got Kaz. What's the girls' names?
Marina.
And you guys are from Red Bank.
Red Bank.
The Petersons. 43.
I'm Wesley, Joseph Wesley Peterson. Hate meeting on the sad occasion, but it's good to celebrate Auntie Mele. Thank you.
Sorry. Oh, the Queen of Logan City. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Yeah. Bye, Queen. Love you. Thank you.
Hello to everybody. So nice to meet you. Thank God. Love you all.
My name is Ruta Eteru, and I'm so glad to see each and every one of our families. I know a lot of nephews and nieces, but this day is a very beautiful day. And I have two children, Daniel and Donna. I know you kids know them.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Auntie.
I love you all.
Love you, Auntie. Yeah, on va pisser aller kitchen crew. Hello. So we got Sully Jr. and Chile Jr. And what's your name?
Logan.
And who's your mum and dad?
Sully and Bob. Said the equivalent say this.
Yeah. What last words, man? You
Hey
came,
guys,
you saved our lives, man.
Auntie Mele, love you, and thank you for all bringing us here to Australia.
Nana, so Sulu was the staff today, so backup plan was sorted by Sulu. So thank God for
We're family, that's what family is
Thank
for.
God for our plan B.
Huh? Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Man.
Shout out to our Tim Hotel family. Thank you for everything you've done all this this whole week. Auntie Mele would be so proud of everyone. So, yeah.
Glad to know everyone for Auntie Mele and thank you to all the kids, grandkids, family, siblings, Sao, Sia, Mary Kaferi from Malia, Eva, good to reconnect and have our generation here for Auntie send her off. Been a beautiful week with everyone. Hopefully we'll finish off the bang with the cameraman shout.
Kaya aku kaku ainga sifu I paona mga famay sa malanga mau mai o le fa moi le ku se foi ko le fa mawai ko finge os kinga ya meli o le o fa I inga le aso le ngai fa moi le fu ka ape aku le kero ka ku ainga o e sa malanga mau mai ai mai se foi o ma ko mo foi ngai ia fa te kere la ver ka ku ainga kai mo ngui o fa
e mana tuile te facilis fam tlanga o lewa umona fong sa no fuile fiong ngol merman ngan to mulia tule ngangol fartai na fa malo I pai o tatu ai fa malo la vale na ruele ne yas o ai man manuia ia le tatu fa moi ia avel vi inga mar fartai le tua so I fu mo ia manuia.
Oh, okay, I don't have any final words yet, but just quickly, from the bottom of my father's heart, my siblings and myself, my grandchildren, I just want to I couldn't have asked for a better day. You know, we want different things, but our parents know best, and it was an awesome day. Thank you so much. Love you guys.